Hi everyone. I'm sure we're all the same. When thinking about riding a motorbike, we're thinking about safety. And one aspect is the tire pressure. To make my life a little bit simpler, I decided to go for a tire pressure monitoring system and simply looked on Amazon, did quite a bit of research, and I opted for a kit called FOBO Bike 2. Have to say, more expensive than the standard TPMS systems, but the reviews were very positive. Allegedly, it's very accurate, so I will test this. And also, normally, tire pressure monitoring systems come with a display you have to mount to the handlebar, and that is not a thing I really like, because I just don't want to get distracted too much having more and more instruments I may focus on while riding a bike. So this one you download an app on your phone, allegedly works with iPhone, works with Android, and it gives you a warning if the tire pressure is not where it should be. So let me unpack it. Check actually what the tire pressure is like at the moment, and mount it and see what the reading is. So stay with me. So let's check the pressure of the front tire. I normally set it to 36 psi, and let's have a look. So it's at 35. And done. What I'm using here is a little machine from Einhell, quite handy. And I also like that with the same battery, you can operate different tools. And as usual, just to say, this is not a paid promotion. I bought all this kit. So let's check the rear tire. Okay, here we go. Light is not 100% ideal, but I'm hoping you can see it, and well, in the end it's only filling up a tire with pressure. What's the reading? 41. I normally set it to 42. Okay, job done. So let's have a look what we have in a box. Let's get it fitted and see what the reading is, and take it from there. So I finally managed to install the app, which was the first step to do after I googled the installation, and not straightforward, but I think I done it. So it now says to connect your rear sensor and connect it to your phone by having Bluetooth on.
Okay, let's try this out.
So let me try that. Connecting the sensor. Connected. And now I guess I need to open the app. Okay, that was actually relatively straightforward. So the sensor is there. I installed it and got the first reading. So let me do the same in the front. Okay, here we go. So now we'll go to the app, and we'll install it, and we'll actually try to do a screen recording from it. So I got it installed. Not quite as straightforward as you would hope. On the other hand, I got it done without great problems. One of the sensors had to be reset. but the installation worked on the second time. And so all good so far. You may noticed from the screen print I took, or the screen recording, that the rear and the front sensor, which are now connected to the tires, show a reading of 1.5 psi below the setting of my tire inflator. But I guess I will take it to a garage and just check it against another tire inflator if the difference is actually my tire, is it the reading of my tire inflator, or is it the reading of the sensors? But as it's 1.5 on the front, on the rear, that is something I can just consider and work it out as soon as I know where the difference is coming from. But it will be interesting to see how the warnings come in. They should be, as soon you come close to the bike, the Bluetooth is connecting, it then should give me a warning, a message. And also when you ride it, I believe it will give a temperature reading, and it will give a pressure reading, and if something is abnormal, sending a warning signal. So riding should become safer, or literally, if I say safer, a bit more smarter, a bit more automated, and it just will make my life a little bit simpler and easier. So I would say in a few weeks' time, I'll give you an update how this all turns out, worked out. And so thank you for watching. I hope you found it of interest. As usual, I will put, no, excuse me, put the links into my description. And just to be clear, this is not a pay promotion. I paid for all the gear. And I just like sharing a bit of an update, and yeah, I like to share the accessories I install, and if they turn out to be helpful or a waste of money. So again, take care, enjoy your day, and ride safe.